Hello and welcome to our March roundup of news across the industry, keeping you in touch with the world of health and safety. These are our topics for this issue. Digital records are a golden thread for health and safety information. They give clarity, they are easily shared and easily referenced. Deliveroo can provide digital file logbooks on your management dashboard, increasing efficiency and saving time. The HSE has recently carried out several investigations into dangerous occurrences that resulted from a failure of industrial UPS systems. The failure of these UPS systems typically resulted in a loss of power to control systems, emergency shutdown systems and emergency mitigation systems. Some of these incidents have led to localised fires due to failures of either capacitors or batteries, failure of the static switches and a failure to provide emergency power via a second UPS. Other incidents due to component failures and outdated firmware have led to an unplanned shutdown of a chemical processing plant, which led to an unplanned release of toxic substances. End users and specialist maintenance contractors with responsibilities for ensuring the continued safe and reliable operation of industrial UPS systems should ensure that you have access to the latest revision of information for maintenance from the original equipment manufacturer. Use this information to update existing maintenance arrangements and to ensure that the installed industrial UPS system is being maintained accordingly. The PPE at Work Amendment regulations come into force on the 6th of April and extend employers' duties to what are called Limb B workers. These workers have a casual employment relationship and work under a contract for service. Under the amendment rules, an employer will have to provide the same level of protection to casual workers as they do to employees. There will be a significant cost implication as this PPE is to be provided free of charge and with training and instruction on using the PPE properly. PPE controls such as face fit testing could be a problem due to the practicalities of Limb B workers attending site at a particular time. All employers, no matter the size of the business, have a legal duty to protect workers from stress and poor mental health and well-being at work by doing a risk assessment and acting on it. The Working Minds campaign, led by the HSE with the support of partners, helps businesses to recognise and respond to the signs of stress at work. Working Minds is aimed specifically at supporting small businesses by providing employers and workers with easy to implement advice, including simple steps to reach out, recognise, respond, reflect and make it routine. Red diesel as a rebated fuel will no longer be accessible for industries such as construction, manufacturing and plant hire. If your business can no longer use red diesel, then your stocks will need to be run down before the 1st of April this year, before switching to an alternative fuel. You will also need evidence that the last time you purchased red diesel was not too close to the deadline, proving that you did not stockpile red diesel in quantities. Of course, this would suggest you intended to use the fuel after the 1st of April. Here at Deliveroo, we're delighted to be acting as interim advisor on the senior management team at a Humberside oil refinery. Another string to our bow.